They're starting to frame out the basement. They did the lumber drop. That means they drop all the wood that's gonna go to building our house on our lot so it can get used to its new temperature. Wow. Pretty crazy. Okay, today we decided to come by the house to see some progress. They have later poured our foundation and they started framing. So this is currently the makings of our basement. Right now we're in the garage. So this is where mommy's car and daddy's car are gonna go. And then over there is where the Jeep goes, that other little garage right there. So if you come this way, this is the entrance out of the garage and what will be our basement living room. We have a family member that's going to be moving in this space after we move in, and this is going to be kind of like the studio. It could be a living room. Right here along this wall is actually a kitchenette with like a sink, a little fridge, and a dishwasher. So this is going to be a window right here. Nice, great view, and a door to the patio. And then you come back this way, back through the doorway, into the hallway. We will have a bathroom down here in the corner, a washer dryer set up right here, and then there will be a bedroom down here as well with another nice pretty window right there. And then over here to the side is where Tyler's Jeep is gonna go. It's a 3-car garage. This one's by itself, which is nice because the Jeep is stinky.
Well, it's as old as me.
You're pretty stinky too. So this is kind of a nice stage to see the house because we're able to see where the best place to be for a tornado would be. Obviously you want to be close up to this cinder block and concrete wall. Really this hallway or that bedroom or this bathroom would be the most ideal because it's fully enclosed, no windows, up in the corner.
So how do we get, so we park our cars down there, and then how do we get upstairs?
So you walk out from that door, through this hall. Guys, where's the new staircase gonna be? Let's walk upstairs. Let's pretend. Here's our staircase. Walk, walk, walk. Wait, where are we going? Look up. They haven't built it yet. But next week, we'll have our upstairs. The fact that I can still fit through here is really the test. Suck it in. Sorry, Jenny. Ugh. That's a huge forklift, Brody. Okay, we just came up here to look. That's the entry. This is gonna be the playroom, and we just discovered what?
Pretty great view.
Our children have the world's greatest view in their playroom. Incredible. Okay, today I'm here at the house. And it's so exciting because we have a framed and wrapped and roofed house. Let's go look at it. Now this is gonna be an arch, brick. The whole house is gonna be brick. Look at that view, so pretty. And we will have steps, not a plank. The first time we came here, they were framing in the rain. And that was crazy because it was an actual swamp in here. It's a rainy mess in there, man. But they're working hard, even though there's puddles. This is so cool. It's such a muddy mess in here, but oh my God. You know, it dried out so quick. I kind of got worried. I was like, what is all this water doing on wood? But everyone reassured me it dries out so quickly because, as you can see, there's no windows in. You can't see right now, but it's very windy in here. the wind just like blows through, dries it out dries it out really fast. So this is my first time coming back and seeing that the floors are clean. I mean, clean-ish. There's not piles of dirt everywhere. This is so crazy. I can't even believe it. Okay, you guys, we are here at the house. We are framed. I cannot believe that I have a real house to show you. Obviously, we're still very early in the process, but I wanted to give you a rough little walkthrough of where we are. Okay, this is the entry. We're gonna have tall ceilings. My Christmas tree is gonna go right here. Maybe the bears, we'll find out. But when you first come into the house, there will be these beautiful glass double doors right here that open up into Tyler's office. In this room, I'm color drenching a very moody, dark green color. It's kind of poop brown, but...
It was porpoise.
Oh. That sounds like it'd be blue.
No, porpoise is a dolphin, and dolphins are gray.
It wasn't gray. It was like poop brown. Very fitting for you, you know? Okay, so then you walk out of his office, over this way, into the living room. Look at these windows, you guys. Can you believe it? So this ceiling is some version of a cathedral vaulted. They call it a vaulted, but it's not a traditional vault, but they don't really know what it's called. And we have these beautiful windows and a door right here that are gonna go out to our walking patio, porch. One day we will screen it in to get the buggies out. So here is our kitchen. Here is the island where I'm gonna do my dishes, or Tyler's gonna do the dishes, right?
Yeah.
And here is gonna be a wall of cabinets and beautiful backsplash and an oven, I think. And then in here is the pantry. We have a butler's pantry. I don't really know why they call it that. The butler stays in here, this is his room. But we're gonna have some cabinetry over here, a little coffee maker, and that leads into our actual pantry right here. Okay, so in here is the master bedroom. And just look at how tranquil and peaceful. Yeah, come sit next to me, guys. Look at this view. Isn't that so peaceful? We're just gonna sit here with a brand new baby, sitting in bed. It's gonna be so nice. Okay, and then this way is our master bathroom. We're gonna have our vanities here, some cabinetry on the sides, some fabulous lighting, and a bathtub to wave to our neighbors, and a shower. And then we have a potty room and our master closet. I don't know where Tyler's gonna put all of his clothes, but this is where my clothes are gonna go. Maybe Tyler could have that corner. A laundry room with a window, much better than a basement laundry room in my last house. So laundry is gonna go here, have some areas to change and fold clothes. We have a powder bath in this area, a little teeny tiny guy. And then this way is gonna be the nursery. So we do have another bedroom on this floor, and for now it's gonna be our nursery, which is very sweet and special. Have I told YouTube about the name? I don't know if I have.
Oh.
I'm having a baby girl and her name is Jenny. Third time around, I'm not doing all the big surprises. One day this will probably be like the guest room suite for grandparents that come and stay. But for now, the guest room is upstairs and this is gonna be the nursery, and then we'll probably switch them as Jenny gets older, starts sleeping through the night, all that. Upstairs, we have our playroom right here for the boys and squirrel. And look at the view, come from over here, of this playroom. You guys, is this not the most, I'll get out of the way, fabulous playroom view you've ever seen? I'm so excited because I hang out in the playroom a lot, you know? So it's nice to have a beautiful view up here. Behind you is our guest bedroom. So this is gonna be where our guests stay. A lovely bedroom here with a nice little bench seat. For them to sit and read a book and look out at the neighborhood. Hello neighbors, how's it going? On the other side, we have the boys' room. Now this is a really really beautiful vaulted ceiling in both of these rooms. The boys love sharing a room, so they are going to continue to share. They have their little walk-in closet as well, right here. This is another guest room. This could be for, you know, right now our boys love sharing a room, but one day they may not want to. And I designed their bathroom to be kind of fun. It's not totally boyish, but it's definitely more boyish. So Brody and Sawyer could be in these rooms, or this could end up being like an office for me or something, but it's just an extra room that is good to have and has a nice little closet, and that's it. Except, wait a minute, we have a basement. Do you want to see it? Let's go look.
That's a good transition.
Downstairs in the basement, we have a full living room. It's about 1,000 square feet down here. I kind of think that I'm gonna have Tyler and his dad build a mudroom wall right here, because this is the garage. So the kids are gonna come in from here with their bags and their shoes and all their stuff. And it would be nice to have a little cubby built out area here to hang rain boots and jackets and backpacks and all the things, you know? And this is kind of the living room area of the basement. We have a kitchen stub out area here. Down the wall here could be like a little sitting area, a little table and chairs, maybe a cozy rocker or two. And I think that this should be the bedroom. But I think the bed right here, a TV right there, a little sitting area and a kitchenette. What more does a gal need, you know? Oh, and she has a door to the patio. Pretty tranquil and pretty peaceful. Oh my God. I thought that was a bird. Did it sound like a bird to you? Sounds like a swarm of bees. Okay, so that is the house as of right now. We are missing a full deck above us, but that'll be here soon, and they're gonna start to put in doors and windows this week or next week. So crazy. I'm starting to believe them. They told me the 3rd week of July, and I think we might be kind of close. I don't know, but I'm getting excited. Okay, leave me your comments below. Are you guys so excited to see how this house comes together? I will try to update you as we go. I have a lot of videos I want to do about this house. I've been waiting for it to get to this point where we could actually walk through it, because we don't even have like the measured plans of this house, and they don't have very many of these homes built in this neighborhood. So it's been kind of a mystery to see like what it's actually gonna look like as it comes to life. And now we know, and it's so exciting. And I'm just very, very excited for this process to get started. If you've built a home before, I always love reading your guys' tips of what you did and the things to look out for. So please leave your comments below and give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time. Love you. Mwah! Bye. You're so weird.